Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the license plate LED reflector kit for the Canon Spyder. You may have noticed the large red reflector that sits just above your Canon Spyder license plate. Well, we're constantly looking for ways to improve rider safety, so we partnered up with our friends over at Electrical Connection to bring you this. This replacement reflector still has the reflective properties via 3M style red reflective tape, but also illuminates red when the ignition is on through embedded LEDs built into the board. The reflective red tape is slightly undercut, creating a really cool looking red glow around the sides of the plate. We feel this product improves looks and improves safety, following our mantra of serving both form and function. Now follow me as I walk you through the installation process. Wait, no, don't actually follow me.
Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the factory reflector housing. Next, cut out the template on the instructions. Now make a hole on the X of the template and place your template on top of the reflector or inside the housing, while still making sure the hole is in the correct position. I decided to drill the hole from the inside out, stopping before I hit the reflector, so that I could push the reflector off without damaging the outer lip of the housing and making a mess with broken reflector bits and pieces everywhere. Using a heat gun or a hairdryer will also help loosen the glue holding the reflector in place. Once off, scrape away any leftover glue so your new LED reflector can sit flat in the housing. Be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area before installing, and for proper adhesion, make sure you install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the protective layer from the backing tape. Slide the wires through the hole we drilled. Align your reflector and press firmly into place. Now make sure your key is out of the ignition. Unplug the black wire from your taillight. Attach one end of the posi tap to the orange wire and another posi tap to the black wire of your taillight. And then connect the red wire from your LED light to the orange wire of their taillight. And then the black wire to the black wire. Now reconnect the wire to the taillight and make sure your posi taps are all nice and tight before reattaching the taillight reflector housing to your bike.
Well, that's it folks, you've now successfully installed your new LED license plate reflector kit. Now if this product seems right for you, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Canon Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out, we'll see you on the road.